Welcome to Gear Hub, your go-to channel for the coolest car gadgets and accessories. Join us as we explore top automotive gear that upgrades your ride effortlessly. This throttle and air intake cleaner provides an effective solution for removing carbon deposits and buildup that accumulate over time in the throttle body. It penetrates deeply to restore the proper operation of the intake system. After use, the engine starts more easily, runs smoother, and issues such as irregular idling are eliminated. Compatible with all gasoline engines using injection, both single throttle and multi-point systems. The product comes in a 12-ounce aerosol can and is produced by CRC, a long-standing leader in automotive chemicals. This 140-watt car inverter from DeWalt offers a dependable way to power and charge electronics while traveling. It efficiently converts your vehicle's 12-volt DC into 120-volt AC. Equipped with a standard 120V socket and two high-output 3.1 ampere USB ports, it's perfect for charging all devices. The inverter is designed for near-silent operation and features a backlit power button. Compact and easy to use, it's ideal for long drives, vacations, and business travel. Power laptops, cameras, or other essential electronics directly from your car. This roof-mounted aluminum ski and snowboard holder features a clamping system with a secure locking mechanism. It can carry up to 6 pairs of skis with tips and tails up to 96 millimeters wide or 4 snowboards, and is also suitable for fishing rods, paddles, wakeboards, and water skis. The mount is built from lightweight, durable aluminum and reinforced with stainless steel, plastic, and rubber components. Its locking mechanism ensures that all equipment remains stable and protected during transport. Installation is fast and requires no tools or drilling. Just attach it to any roof rack under 3.3 inches wide. The package includes all the necessary mounting parts along with step-by-step instructions for a quick and straightforward setup. Convenient and functional emergency light beacon for safe driving and rescue. It offers high visibility with bright red LEDs, visible up to 1 mile away both day and night. The beacon supports 3 operation modes: flashing, constant light, and flashlight. Powered by 12 8AA batteries included in the kit, it's ready to use right away. Its compact, durable body fits easily into a car trunk. Perfect for roadside warnings, emergency signaling, and search and rescue situations. Includes a strong magnet for metal attachment and a retractable stand for stability. Gas pedal response controller for Dodge Ram vehicles. This device improves the electronic accelerator's sensitivity, making acceleration faster and more responsive. It features 4 modes: Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus, each offering 36 adjustment levels to fine-tune pedal sensitivity. Eco mode slows pedal reaction to boost fuel economy, while Sport mode significantly enhance vehicle liveliness and speed. Installation is quick and easy, requiring about 10 minutes with a simple plug-and-play connection to the pedal harness. Control is available via a mobile app using Bluetooth. NOCO's anti-corrosion spray lubricant provides lasting protection for batteries and their terminals against corrosion. It forms a tough protective film that effectively blocks acidic vapors, ensuring prevention of corrosion throughout the battery's lifespan. The oil-based formula does not dry out or evaporate and is highly resistant to moisture, vibration, and mechanical shocks. Regular use of NOCO lubricant enhances electrical contact, ensuring a stable current flow for dependable engine starts. Trusted for over 100 years, this universal formula fits all types of vehicles. VHT paint is specifically developed for brake calipers, offering resistance to temperatures up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Infused with ceramic resins, the coating resists peeling, brake dust, and chemical exposure. It comes in a convenient aerosol can for easy application to removed calipers. The tapered spray nozzle ensures wide, even coverage with lasting durability. The paint cures and is ready to use within an hour after spraying. Ideal for calipers and brake components on all vehicle types. The Hafaloki portable compressor features a 20,000 mAh battery that enables full cordless operation. It can inflate tires up to 3 times faster than typical portable compressors and allows you to inflate up to 12 car tires or 30 bicycle tires per charge. The unit offers 4 preset inflation modes for different vehicle types, along with a manual mode to set a custom pressure. It comes equipped with a bright LED light for nighttime use and USB ports for charging gadgets. A dual display shows the current and desired pressure levels, while the auto shutoff feature prevents overinflation. The compact compressor is packaged in a portable case and includes a convenient carrying bag for transportation. This product restores plastic, rubber, and vinyl surfaces and delivers results that last for months, not just days or weeks like many competitors. It resists rain and washing, leaving no residue. The formula absorbs completely, leaving a natural look without a greasy finish. Say goodbye to oily products that stain everything. Only premium ingredients are used in its composition. The Confidant Scratch Repair and Paintwork Restoration Kit is a practical solution for fixing light scratches, minor chips, and surface imperfections on your car's exterior. Included in the package is a high-quality polishing wheel and a special compound that work together to eliminate wear marks and restore the original finish. The formula not only removes scuffs and light scratches, but also brings back the glossy shine, erases water streaks, and fights oxidation. All work can be performed by hand using the included tools. This product is safe for all types of automotive paint and compatible with any car color. This set includes guide rods designed for securing loads. Each 8-foot rod is made from durable painted steel and features 48 attachment points, allowing secure fastening of items up to 2,000 pounds using slings, hooks, and other accessories. The rails can be installed on trailer floors, garage walls, or similar surfaces. This system is ideal for securing appliances, tools, furniture, and other items during transport or storage. We offer excellent waterproof electrical connectors. These 2-pin connectors are made of strong PA 66 nylon, resistant to high temperatures for extended durability. The set includes 5 pairs of connectors, male and female, with 10-centimeter wires. Suitable for motorcycles, scooters, cars, trucks, ATVs, trailers, and boats. Installation is easy and can be done by soldering or crimping. If you need reliable waterproof connectors for automotive use, this offer is a great choice. Let me introduce an excellent solution for cleaning car air conditioning systems. This German-made product is specifically formulated for treating air conditioner vents. One of its key benefits is the elimination of unpleasant odors inside the cabin by targeting and removing mold and bacteria. The results of using it can last for several months. Klima Cleaner is completely safe as it contains no harsh chemicals. Being water-based and free of strong smells, it's comfortable to use. It effectively clears away dust, pollen, and nicotine residue from air conditioning components. Additionally, the product helps restore the air conditioner's efficiency and enhances its cooling performance. This best-selling diesel engine care kit from Arc Oil includes 3 high-performance products. The first is a friction modifier that helps reduce internal engine wear and improves overall performance. The second is a fuel additive designed to clean the entire fuel system, enhancing injection and combustion. The third is a fast-acting cleaner that eliminates deposits and soot from injectors and fuel lines. This kit is essential for any diesel vehicle owner seeking to restore lost engine power, improve throttle response, and increase the cetane number of diesel fuel. This is a premium polish and paint protector designed for automotive finishes. The formula is based on natural carnauba wax combined with advanced polymers, providing deep, lasting shine and a mirror-like reflection. Safe for all types of glossy and lacquered surfaces, it applies evenly and leaves no streaks or residue. The enhanced composition delivers greater brilliance and depth. Suitable for both manual and machine application, it rinses off easily. The product includes a high-quality sponge applicator and ensures a professional professional level luxurious finish for your vehicle. This is a full set of hoses and nozzles for a car windshield washer system. It comes with 5 meters of flexible and durable rubber hose designed to last under regular use. The kit also includes 12 hose connectors that are compatible with most car models. 2 plastic nozzles ensure an even spray of washer fluid for clear visibility. This set allows easy replacement of worn components and quick system restoration. Its main strengths are ease of installation, durable construction, and broad compatibility. This compact wireless adapter is designed to upgrade vehicles with wired CarPlay by enabling a fully wireless experience. Once plugged into your car's USB port, it establishes a dedicated Wi-Fi connection with your iPhone, eliminating the need for physical cables. Now you can stream music, follow GPS directions, and use Siri without plugging in your phone. The device works with all iPhones and is compatible with every iOS version. Installation is simple. Turn on Wi-Fi, make sure no other connections are active, and pair it once. From that point forward, your phone will connect automatically every time the car is started. These practical elastic cargo straps are designed to securely fasten loads in vehicles, trailers, or boats. Each strap measures 5 meters in length and 4 centimeters in width, made from highly durable material with reinforced edges for extended use. Bright yellow coloring improves visibility during transport. Vinyl-coated hooks at both ends hold the load firmly in place without scratching painted surfaces. An ergonomic ratchet mechanism allows you to easily tighten the strap to the desired tension. Each strap has a load capacity of 1,100 pounds and a braking strength of 3,300 pounds, ideal for securing cargo of all types during travel or storage. A smoke generator is an essential diagnostic tool for any mechanic who needs to quickly and precisely locate hidden leaks. We've selected a professional-grade unit that allows for accurate detection of faults in a car's fuel system, vacuum system, intake, and cooling lines. The device works by heating a special oil until it transforms into smoke, which is then injected under pressure into the vehicle's system. Any leak is revealed when smoke visibly escapes from the damaged point. Included adapters allow diagnostics of the crankcase ventilation system, making it compatible with virtually any vehicle. Since it runs on a 12-volt battery, the generator is fully portable, ideal for both workshop use and off-site inspections. This spacious roof rack with an anti-slip mat is designed for all types of cars and can be installed whether or not roof rails are present. It comfortably holds 1 to 2 large suitcases and is made of 100% waterproof material, keeping your belongings dry in any weather. Installation is quick. Unfold it, secure with 10 straps, and fasten the hooks to the car doors. When not in use, the rack folds down into a compact storage bag, saving space. It also includes a code lock for added security, letting you leave items inside without worry. This cargo solution is perfect for road trips or anytime extra space is needed. And that's a wrap. Subscribe to Gear Hub for more automotive tech, tools, and gadgets designed to make your driving experience smoother, smarter, and more fun.